materializing memories. A 68-square-meter home in the sky for a young doctor in Pinheiros, São Paulo. Designed by Studio VA, the layout prioritizes openness, natural light, and dedicated study zones. To optimize the compact footprint, internal walls and frames were removed to create a seamless flow. Leveled floors and continuous wood surfaces enhance the perception of a boundary-free space. Imbuia Woodwork hides the laundry and appliances. The linear design stretches from the entrance to the kitchen, housing storage, the TV, and a sink. An organic rug anchors the iconic Togo sofa, offering spatial freedom for daily living. The home office features modular wooden frames and Mini Boreal glass for light-filled privacy. A garden in the stone jungle, where architecture honors history and well-being. Neutral tones in the bedroom create a serene sanctuary, prioritizing rest amidst the city rush. Bathrooms maintain the natural palette, utilizing porcelain tiles and integrated shelving.